Today I'm going to be reviewing the RK87 wireless gaming keyboard. Let's start with the positives. It has good sized keys, a sturdy base, an overwhelming typing experience, anti-ghosting technology, and each key has its own customizable RGB. The keyboard has 8 colours which are pre-selected, being red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink and light blue. It also has 8 different lighting effects: ripple, all light, breathe, colour cycle. My personal favourite one is a static colour one where you can change any key to being what colour you like, because it makes it so much easier to customise to the way I like it or to a certain colour scheme. Wave, cross, streamer and radar. Personally, I've found the keyboard to be very good at productivity. If a higher level of productivity is needed, however, I would recommend getting the RK920 as it is a full-size one with a keypad on the side. But if gaming is your thing, I'd recommend going for the RK61 60% mechanical keyboard, as it is a lot smaller and would take up less room on your desk. In my opinion, the RK87 is a happy medium between the two. From what I've seen, you can only buy the keyboard in brown switches, and they are Royal Kludge's own. However, they've really grown on me since I was planning on getting red switches, and they sound amazing. The keyboard is available in both black and white. The function key acts as a soft key to open up many things, such as File Explorer, Google, or send you back to the home screen. Included in the box of the keyboard is a USB dongle, a rubber cable, and a keycap puller. Here is the keycap puller in action now. Now for a quick typing session. Make sure to use discount code CLUFFREVIEWS to get 10% off your next purchase at Royal Kludge.